Embrace the uncomfortable.
Embrace the uncomfortable. So I think that's kind of what everybody wants to make resolutions for 2022. And I don't even know how you call it a resolution, because it's really not an actionable, it's not a goal that you can measure, but it's just own everything in your life.
Yeah.
And don't make excuses, and understand when things go wrong, you played a part in it. It's like people who say, well, why'd you leave a job? Well, I didn't get along with my boss. Well, if you don't get along with your boss, you're 50% of the problem, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Just say, I just wasn't smart enough.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It just, yeah.
I just couldn't get up out of damn bed and show up to work on time. So
Right.
I need to find a job that is an afternoon shift or something.
Yeah. Or something, whatever needs to change. Whatever needs to change, right? Just sit there and say, hey, look, but I think that's kind of the goal for 2022, is to say, own it. It's your life. It's your career. It's everything. Just own it. And, and don't make excuses about it.